Starting a consulting business can be a rewarding venture for individuals with expertise in a particular field who want to share their knowledge and help others succeed. This video outlines a practical and detailed guide to kickstarting your consulting business, covering key aspects from planning to execution. Step 1. Define your niche and expertise. Begin by identifying your niche and area of expertise. Successful consultants are specialists in a particular field rather than generalists. Assess your skills, experiences, and passions to pinpoint a niche where you can provide valuable insights. Conduct market research to understand the demand for your services, analyze competitors, and identify your unique selling proposition, USP. Clearly defining your niche will not only help you stand out but also attract clients seeking specialized knowledge. Step 2. Develop a comprehensive business plan. A well-thought-out business plan is crucial for the success of your consulting venture. Outline your business goals, target market, pricing strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. Include details about your services, client acquisition strategy, and how you plan to differentiate yourself. Consider potential challenges and outline contingency plans. Your business plan will serve as a roadmap, guiding you through the early stages and helping you stay focused on your objectives. Step 3. Legal and administrative setup. Ensure your consulting business is legally sound and compliant with local regulations. Choose a suitable business structure, sole proprietorship, LLC, corporation, and register your business accordingly. Obtain any necessary licenses or permits for your industry. Set up a professional online presence, including a business website and social media profiles. Implement systems for invoicing, accounting, and client management. Establish clear contracts that outline the scope of your services, fees, and any other important terms to protect both you and your clients. Step 4. Build a strong online presence. In today's digital age, a strong online presence is crucial for business success. Create a professional website that showcases your expertise, services, and client testimonials. Optimize your website for search engines and SEO to increase visibility. Leverage social media platforms to connect with your target audience, share valuable content, and establish yourself as an industry expert. Consider creating a blog or newsletter to share insights and demonstrate your knowledge. Networking through online platforms and attending industry events can also help you build a solid professional network. Step 5. Marketing and client acquisition. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy to attract clients to your consulting business. Utilize a mix of online and offline marketing channels, such as social media advertising, content marketing, and networking events. Leverage your existing professional network and ask for referrals. Offer free workshops or webinars to showcase your expertise and attract potential clients. Invest in a robust CRM system to manage client relationships effectively. Continuously analyze and adapt your marketing efforts based on feedback and performance metrics to ensure a steady flow of clients. In conclusion, launching a consulting business requires careful planning, strategic thinking, and a commitment to delivering value to your clients. By defining your niche, developing a detailed business plan, ensuring legal compliance, building a strong online presence, and implementing effective marketing strategies, you can set the foundation for a successful consulting venture. Remember, persistence and adaptability are key as you navigate the dynamic landscape of the consulting industry.